Introducing ESP's RekorHD CCTV range. Each kit comes complete with a 4-channel DVR, as well as 2-megapixel cameras in bullet or dome shape. The system includes line crossing and perimeter detection to trigger recordings more efficiently. When the cameras are triggered, a notification will be sent to your phone alerting you to movement on your property, day or night. All RekorHD kits are supplied with camera cables that are pre-terminated for ease of use, with a 12-volt power cable and a twist and lock BNC mechanism for the video signal. The DVR is supplied with a pre-installed surveillance hard drive suitable for 24/7 usage. You can also back up clips to a USB memory stick using the mouse-driven user interface, making it simple and user-friendly. Unlike regular motion detection, setting up a digital fence around your property can help distinguish between someone simply walking by and someone breaking into your home. The ESP RekorHD CCTV range provides a great security choice for your property.